In this beginner piano lesson, I'll teach you how to play one of the most popular hymns ever. It's Amazing Grace. If this is your first time at the piano, check the description for a link to the first Making Music Fun Music Academy lesson. If you already know a little bit, let's get started. Check out the key signature. That's where composers put sharps and flats. The key signature for this arrangement of Amazing Grace doesn't have any sharps or flats, so it's in the key of C major. That means the notes for this song are based on the C major scale, which only uses the white keys. Beginning with your left hand finger 2 on G and your right hand finger 1 on middle C, you'll play G, C, E, C, E, D, C, A, G. With left hand finger 2, right hand fingers 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, and back to left hand fingers 1, 2. It sounds like this. G half note, E, C half note, D half note, A half note. Try it, saying the note names and the counting phrases like I did. It will help you to remember the names of the notes and play the rhythms for the perfect length. It may take a few more tries before it's perfect. If you need a little more practice, pause the lesson. If you're ready to move on, let's try the next phrase. Beginning on bass clef G again, you'll play G, C, E, C, E, D, G, with left hand finger 2 and right hand fingers 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 5. G half note, E, C half note, D dotted half note. Go for it. Great. The next phrase moves to higher notes and begins with right hand finger 3 on E. You'll play E, G, E, C, E, D, C, A, G, with right hand fingers 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, and left hand fingers 1, 2. E half note, E, C half note, D half note, A half note. It's your turn. Terrific! The last phrase is a shorter version of the first phrase with a few harmony notes added at the end. Let's practice the melody first. Next, we'll add the left-hand harmony part. You'll play G, C, E, C, E, D, C, with left-hand finger 2 and right-hand fingers 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. G half note, E, C half note, D dotted half note. Try it. Awesome. Let's try the left-hand harmony part. You'll play E, F, E with fingers 4, 3, 4. Half note, F, half note. It's your turn. Fantastic. With both hands together, the last two measures sound like this. Half note, F, half note. Go for it. Great. Now let's put the whole phrase together. G half note, E, C half note, D half note, F, half note. Try it. Way to go! Next, I'll show you what this beginner level version of Amazing Grace sounds like all the way through.